The printing out stuff is kind of boring. So um, we should probably learn how to store things within our program, right? Store values. Now, in case of C, we have multiple data types, and basically these different data types allow us to store different types of information, right? As you would know, C is a statically typed language, and because of that, we need to, specify to the computer what type of variable we're dealing with. And so if we wanted to store a positive or a negative whole number, we would use something like int, right? So you could say int age. So you notice it's the data type followed by the actual name of the variable. So age, that's the identifier, right? And well, you could put your semicolon, or we can actually store a value right now. We could say age is equal to 13 and semicolon. In likewise fashion, we can declare a character variable, right? You can say it's char character. And so this stores basically one character, only one, right? If you do more than that, we refer to it as a string, right? So you can say character, let's say grade is equal to, now how we specify characters is by doing single uplifted commas. And so we can have, let's say you got an A grade, right? And we could store that inside of the program. We can store something like a salary. In that case, we'd use a float because, well, integer is limited in the sense that you can't store anything that has a decimal, right? Any decimal number. And so we can say float salary is equal to, I don't know, 100.34. So $100.34, right? You can also use double. So double, that's pretty nice for things like angles, more on the side of scientific calculations. And we could say angle is equal to 3.14, just as an example, right? And that's how we can tell our program to store values within the program, within memory, of course.